There you go. There you are. You see you? You see you? Oh, oh. Don't grab. Hi. No. There you go. You see you? Oh, boy. What do you say? Do you say hi? Do you say hi? Hi. No touch, Aaron. No touch. Yeah? Say hi. Aaron, say hi, everybody. I'm feeling better today. But my teeth still hurt, so I still chew on my hands. I'm still covered in drool and stuff. And I want to be able to play with the camera and the baby, and the camera won't come out and play. Oh.
This one. Oh, there you are. That's a funny one. See that? See that one? You're not even noticing the video camera's on. Yeah. I'm getting you from both angles here. Go get the video camera. Well, that didn't take long. The side of Mama's head. Okay, we'll look here. Side of Mama's head. That's you. That's you and Abba with the video camera. Just now, see, he's still right there. That's you. Look, that's you. That is also you. Huh? Huh? That's a cute one, huh? Yeah. You?